Hello, amazing people. I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. So, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about different case styles in programming. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment and consider subscribing it. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Let's have a look at today's agenda. We'll cover what is case style and we'll look into different type of case styles. Let's get started. What is case style? If you're a programmer, chances are that you daily come across scenarios where you have to follow certain naming conventions. It's considered a good practice to know which case style to use in which scenario. Say, for example, you cannot name a variable separated with spaces, like number of student equals to 25. You'll have to use one of the casing styles. In programming, case style is the most common way to combine words into single one. There are many ways in which we can combine words. The most popularly known are camel case, snake case, kebab case, and Pascal case. Let's have a look at each of them in detail. Camel case. Camel case starts with a lowercase letter and the first letter of every new subsequent word has its first letter capitalized and it's compounded with the previous word. Compounding meaning the space between the words is being removed. This is a very popular way to combine words to form a new single one. Let's have a look at an example. Here, in case of hello world, the words are combined by capitalizing the first letter of each word except the first one. It's often used in variable declaration in many languages. Snake case. Snake case combine words by replacing each space with an underscore and lowercasing all the words. This one is most used in Python. This is a nice, clean and readable way to combine words. Let's have a look at an example. The raw form says my name is Ayushi. If we snake case it, we have combined the words using underscore. It's often used in declaring constants in many languages. There is another variant of snake case called as capitalized snake case. In this scenario, we capitalize all the letters. Let's have a look at an example here. So for maximum student marks, we have used the capitalized snake case version. Kebab case. This one is similar to snake case, but instead of an underscore, a hyphen or a dash is used. It combines word by replacing each space with a hyphen. Let's have a look at an example. The raw form is total student count and we have substituted the space with a hyphen. This is rarely used in Python but often used in URLs. Pascal case. This case is also called as upper camel case. It combines all the words by capitalizing all of them, even the first word, and removing all spaces between them. Let's have a look at an example. Say the raw example is Python is cool. Here, we have used Pascal case by capitalizing all words. It is often used as a convention in declaring classes in many languages. Say Python, for example, if we want to calculate a sum, then we can name the function as calculate sum. Concluding thoughts. There is no best way to combine words. It majorly depends on the use case. Although it is suggested to be consistent with the case style used and considered a best practice to agree upon a common case style when working with a team. Simple, isn't it? Hope this tutorial has helped you and you have understood all case styles in programming.